Hi everybody, today in front of me I have Doogee S98 smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can activate, manage and, well, generally use the keyboard clipboard on this device. So first of all, let's launch the keyboard. In here, tap on this very icon at the top part of the keyboard itself. That stands for the clipboard. Once at the clipboard page, turn on this toggle in order for it to be activated. Now, if you would like to remove some of the elements you have over here, tap on the pencil, select what elements you would like to delete, and then select the trash bin. After that, if you want for, well, any element to be added to it, you just gotta, well, simply type in something, select it, copy, and once we get back to the clipboard, we'll see that this element has been successfully added as the most recent one. From here, just tap on any element you would like to use, and it will be successfully pasted in this, like any typing bar that you have activated the keyboard from. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.